Hi everyone, I'm Jordan, a developer advocate over at Superwall. Today I've got a quick tip for you over custom actions. Now, custom actions are a great way for you to reach into your app and do some app specific logic from your paywall. I'll show you an example. So I've got this caffeine tracking app and I've added this new help center. Users can press that and then they can say why they're reaching out, leave a message, and reach out to me. So what I want to do is be able to access that from a paywall. So I'll show you how that can be done with custom actions. I've got this new icon here, and what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 tap actions. Now, the first thing we're going to do is close the paywall because, again, we want the paywall to close and show this new help feature. And then we'll also add a custom action, and the name will be Show Help Center. So what's going to happen is in your Superwall delegate, you can see when these custom actions come down. So all that you need to do is look for the one that you're interested in and then fire off any logic that you need. So you can see here, I'm conforming to the Superwall delegate, and the handle custom paywall action with name is part of that Superwall delegate. So when I tap on that button, this logic right here is going to fire, which in our case is going to show the help center. Now let's go ahead and publish that and see what we get in our app. And again, what should happen is the paywall will dismiss and then the help center will show. So here is a paywall, there's that icon, it closes, and there's our help center. Now this is just the start. There's a lot of things that you can do with custom actions. Another example, let's say that you want to play some haptic feedback on a button when you're choosing a plan, for example. You're changing the color, border radius, selection state. You could also use a custom action to fire some haptic feedback on iOS. I hope you found this tip useful, and as always, if you need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us at Superwall at any time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here next time.